Okay, everybody, I have two numbers written on the board that are both in scientific notation. The reason why I know they're in scientific notation is look at their format. I have a decimal number between 1 and 10 times 10 to some exponent. So I know these are in scientific notation. I agree with you, never in real life would you see numbers written like this at the grocery store or shopping. You'll see them in your textbooks, especially in a scientific textbook, but not in real life. So let's convert these to real life numbers. So when I have 9n no tenths times 10 to the negative 7, to convert this into an actual standard number we're used to seeing, all we have to do is listen to the exponent. If the exponent in scientific notation is negative, that is telling me to move my decimal point to the left that many positions. So I take my decimal point right here, and I'm going to move it to the left 7 positions. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's where my decimal point is now. Now the problem is you can't leave empty spots. When we write numbers, there are placeholders for all our positions. And our placeholders are zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when I write this number in scientific out of scientific notation into standard form, here's my decimal point. I got 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9. Now, do I need to write this 0? No, because we know when we write decimal numbers, if you put a 0 at the end, it doesn't make a difference. It doesn't matter in math, like in real life, if I write $5 like this, or I write $5 like this. We know those zeros at the end do not matter. So, when I look here, this number in standard form, let's learn how to read it. Let's look at our positions. Tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions. So we would read this as 9 10 millions. And that's a very small value. So when your exponent is negative in scientific notation, you are guaranteed to get a very small number, a decimal. Now, let's look here. I have 6n 2500ths times 10 to the 5th. I know this is in scientific notation. I actually want to know what the standard number is. So all I have to do is listen to my exponent. My exponent's 5, so that means I'm going to move this decimal point 5 positions. I'm going to move it now to the right because the 5 is positive. So let me write it down here. And let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my decimal point now. I need to put placeholders, so I put my digit zeros. So I have 6, 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. Because this is a whole number, I'm going to put my comma so I can read it correctly. This is 625,000. And that is this number in standard form. Scientific notation, standard. I knew it was going to be a large number because my exponent was positive, and when I move to the right, I make a very large number. Well, now that finishes up our study of negative exponents and scientific notation. I'll see you in Module 6 where we learn about a brand new topic. Have a good day.